In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play Clash Royale on PC. Start by opening up your browser and in the search bar, type in Google Play Games for PC. Click the first link that pops up and click on Download Beta. Wait for the installer to download and click on the installer. Choose where you want it to be installed and click Install. Now wait for the installation process. Once it's done installing, go ahead and log in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, create your name and select Create Profile. Agree to the terms of service and click on Finish. Now, go to the search bar. You can see the first game, Clash Royale, and click on Install. Once it's done downloading, you can go to your library and see Clash Royale has been installed. To open it up, simply click on Play. As you can see, we have successfully installed Clash Royale on our PC. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.